Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight panel brightness on LG 43QNED80. To do it, press and hold on the settings button to enter full settings. Then make sure you are in the picture mode and go to advanced settings. Then go to brightness and then you should see the panel brightness. If it's grayed out, then go back, go to the general settings, scroll down until you find energy saving, click on that, then find energy saving step and make sure it's not set to auto. In order to change the backlight brightness, it should be set to off. Then you should be able to go back to picture, advanced settings, brightness, and as you can see, here is the panel brightness, and I can just use the scroll wheel to adjust it while pointing on it. So just like that, or you can just drag it by pressing and holding on the OK button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.